Court.
So go cut to the parking lot. Doesn't look like you can go left it there.
No. To try and find out. We got the cop, the action. What is this thing? This giant black thing hanging from the sky, for crying out loud.
Spaceship?
Oh, it looks like it was it's something that blew over from. Oh, in the right corner. Oh yeah, okay, right. So it's in the corner there. I know something else that blew over from somewhere else. See what there? Oh, is it gas? You smell gas?
Maybe. What is that thing?
What?
What is that thing?
Well, let's go look. Let's film that.
Wow.
That came from the pub 2 blocks away.
Holy shit.
Now film the gas station. That's why it's cordoned off. I think that. Actually,
no, look, it's pub pipes all across. Yeah, that's what's on the thing there.
There's a big lamp somewhere.
Oh shit. Woo! Well, more of New Edinburgh Pub's awning right here. This is their awning. New Edinburgh Pub is it's about 300 yards. That's the New Edinburgh Pub right there. Right where that bus is turning. So the awning came from above and is now hanging on some power lines in the intersection of Beechwood and McKay, or Crichton, crossing the Shell gas station. And the awning is all the way to Beechwood and Springfield, so went about a total of 250, 300 yards maybe, between 300 and 400 yards, taking out a light.
Here we go, we got an interview and the lowdown where it came from. We got the whole story. We could actually put this together on iMovie in 10 minutes and have a YouTube thing about the storm. Do you want to go back and do it?
I'm going to bed for a bit.
Well, you should at least.
Well, I'll just quickly crop it and just send it to CTV.